Hello, my name is Daniel, founder of GrowthArc, and we work with professional service firms and we do one thing, which is we help them automate their workflows and add AI where it makes sense to do so. So let's just jump in on this specific solution that we've provided. And this is specifically targeting companies that are generating a consistent flow of leads via ads or any other means. And the greater the volume of leads you generate per month, the more value you can actually extract from the system, specifically because it drops the speed to lead significantly, right? So for example, if you were to be generating leads, let's say through ads, leads go to CRM, first contact happens within 24 to 48 hours. With our system, we aim to drop that less than 5 minutes, in most cases less than 60 seconds, right? And that has a dramatic effect on the actual conversions you have for that month for the leads that you've generated. And I'll go through this as an example with an assumption on like the AOV, which is the average order value. Now your AOV might be a lot more, your LTV might also be a lot more. So you can, put in your numbers here and see the actual potential gain being able to implement this system, right? So let's hop in. Let's say you do ads. Let's say you generated 100 leads. Goes to your CRM, and then a human contacts them within 24 to 48 hours. Because of the lag between when they submitted the form and then when a human contacts them, there can be a decent percentage the people, right, contacting them won't be able to actually reach them. For this case, let's say it's 30% that were actually spoken to post lead gen. So let's say 30 reached. Of that, let's say 50% were qualified, 50% were quoted, so 7 quotes, and then 50% of those quoted were won. So you have 3 deals won. If your AOV is around 1K, you have about 3K generated. So yeah, what does increasing the speed to lead actually increase, right? So specifically, it's going to improve the number of the leads you are able to actually speak to. So in this example, it's 60%. So instead of 30% contacted, you have 60%. Therefore, you have 60 leads that you actually got in touch with for that month, for the leads that you generated. All the other metrics remaining the same. You end up having 30 qualified leads, 14 quoted, and about 6 won, which literally just doubles your revenue for that month. So quite simply, the slow way is your lead comes in, a human has to manually reach out, and then that process usually just takes too long and you lose out on potential conversions, right? Our optimized way involves adding a specialized agentic workflow into the process, and we are able to, in most cases, drop the speed to lead from 24 to 48 hours to like less than a minute. If you're generating consistent leads monthly, 150 or 400, whatever the number is, and if you want to talk about how the system can be applied to your organization, shoot me a message. Happy to jump on call and answer any questions and whether or not this will actually fit for your business. Have a great day.